Black chickens are one of the most fascinating breeds in the world, and they are loved by food enthusiasts globally. With over 100 million kilograms consumed annually, their rich flavor and unique qualities make them a culinary icon. Every step in their journey ensures exceptional taste, nutrition, and cultural significance. Join us to uncover the secrets behind this remarkable breed. Black chickens are a unique breed, known for their black bodies due to a genetic mutation. Their origin traces back to the red jungle fowl, domesticated in Southeast Asia over 7,000 years ago. In China, the Wuguji breed has been raised for over 2,000 years, valued for its medicinal properties. Known as Gucci or chicken with black bones, it's believed to boost energy, circulation, and immunity. The silky breed, with its black skin and bones, became a symbol of health once associated with royalty. In Indonesia, the Ayam Cemani breed is famous for its all-black appearance and spiritual significance. Black chickens are also regarded as symbols of wealth and spirituality in Africa. Today, black chickens continue to be cherished for their unique qualities, blending ancient traditions with modern culinary and medicinal appreciation. Black chickens are raised using methods that vary across regions and countries. In some areas, they thrive in well-managed farms with spacious coops, while in others, they are free to roam on hillsides, foraging naturally. These diverse approaches reflect local traditions and environments, contributing to the unique qualities and flavors of black chicken meat. Black chicken eggs are highly valued for their rich nutritional content, including higher levels of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Black chicken eggs are meticulously selected, cleaned to remove bacteria, and inspected for cracks before incubation. They are then placed in advanced incubators that maintain precise temperature and humidity, mimicking natural conditions for successful hatching. The incubator runs continuously with regular checks to ensure that factors like temperature, humidity, and airflow are consistently maintained at optimal levels. Black chicken eggs hatch after 21 days. The chicks use their tiny egg teeth to break free. This process is slow, but is an important step in building the chick's strength to survive outside the egg. Vaccination is vital for black chickens, starting from day one to prevent diseases like Newcastle and avian flu. Farmers follow a strict schedule, ensuring the birds stay healthy and productive, safeguarding both the flock and the quality of their meat and eggs. Keeping chicks warm is crucial for their growth. Farmers use heat lamps or brooders to maintain a steady temperature, ensuring their health. From their first hours, black chicks show remarkable independence, finding food and water on their own, helping them thrive even in tough environments. In farms, farms, they are often fed grains, seeds, and protein-rich supplements, while free-range chickens forage for insects, plants, and natural grains. Some regions enhance their diet with herbs and medicinal plants, believed to improve the meat's quality and nutritional value. This diverse diet plays a key role in their robust health and rich flavor. Black chickens are typically ready for market when they reach about 4 to 6 months of age, depending on the breeding purpose and market demands. Black chickens are sold as either meat or breeding stock, offering high economic value due to their unique meat quality and health benefits. When black chickens arrive at the processing plant, strict hygiene measures are followed. Workers sanitize their hands and equipment before carefully handling the chickens. The entire process from slaughtering to packaging is monitored to ensure a high standard of product for consumers. Once processed, the black chickens are carefully packaged to maintain freshness and quality. They are then distributed to markets, ensuring customers receive the best product. Black chicken holds significant economic value, especially in Asian countries like China, Vietnam, and Thailand, where its meat is considered a premium product. With a high reproduction rate, it offers great profit potential for farmers in these regions. Nutritionally, black chicken is rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it perfect for both families and high-end restaurants. Popular dishes made from black chicken include herbal stews, grilled black chicken, and black chicken soup, all known for their rich flavor and health benefits. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for more amazing content.
Are you curious about how your favorite prepackaged sandwich is made? In this behind-the-scenes tour, we'll take you into a high-tech world where more than 2 million sandwiches are crafted daily. Watch as robots slice bread with perfect precision, machines spread sauces flawlessly, and advanced technology ensures quality at lightning speed. Let's dive into the fascinating process behind every sandwich. The sandwich begins with a rather interesting story. John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich, invented it in 1762. A carom table player by nature, Montagu loved card games and did not want to stop and get his filthy fingers on a meal. His brilliant idea was to place some meat between 2 slices of bread. This handy delight soon became popular in London society, and the name of the Earl became imputed on this humble but grand creation. Today, the sandwich is a global favorite, with people in the United States alone consuming over 300 million sandwiches daily, an impressive number considering the population is just slightly higher than that. Powered by a high-performance engine and an efficient drivetrain, the K700 can navigate even the most challenging landscapes. The hydraulic system and towing mechanism of the KAMAZ truck are what ensure precision and strength for the movement of the K700, which will be very convenient for operations in rugged environments. Together, the machines are set to work with unmatched power that speaks to great engineering and design. Unloading operations, like those involving cranes, are a powerful demonstration of the precision and efficiency of heavy machinery. The crane's hydraulic system and lifting mechanism allow for a smooth and quick unloading process. With the help of the crane's powerful engine, heavy materials are lowered in position with care, ensuring that the entire unloading operation is carried out safely and efficiently. When large turbines need to be transported, cranes, self-propelled. This raises an important question. Is automation helping industries grow, or is it taking away jobs? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. In addition to sandwiches, millions of ready-made meals are consumed worldwide every day. In this eye-opening factory tour, we'll explore the technology and precision behind mass meal production, which caters to busy professionals, astronauts, and everyone in between. Discover how advanced food production facilities can create thousands of meals daily, using complex algorithms to balance nutrition, taste, and shelf life. The concept of ready-made meals dates back to 1953 when Swanson, an American food company, found themselves with 260 tons of leftover turkey after Thanksgiving. Finally, the bread enters smart, automated packaging systems, where each loaf is sealed airtight, keeping it fresh and ready for your table. Now, let's talk about the ingredients that make up the sandwiches. With the rise of prepackaged sandwiches, their daily consumption has skyrocketed, which calls for massive quantities of deli meats. These thin, uniform slices are created with high-speed slicers, designed for bulk production efficiency. Every step of this process is fully automated, even the sauce filling stage, which operates without requiring human intervention. Sandwiches are not only convenient but also versatile. You can fill them with virtually any combination of ingredients to suit your taste or diet. From classic to creative, the possibilities are endless, making sandwiches a global favorite. On a larger scale, advanced manufacturing machines efficiently assemble thousands of sandwiches on production lines, using a variety of breads, fillings, and condiments. This automation has revolutionized prepackaged sandwich production, replacing many of the tasks once done by hand. With a wide range of flavors, from classic tomato sauce to sophisticated cheese and meat combinations, pasta offers a quick, affordable, and versatile meal. It's the go-to meal for those looking for a hassle-free food option. In recent years, health-conscious consumers have turned to fresh salad boxes as a quick and healthy meal solution. These salads typically contain a variety of vegetables, fruits, and lean proteins like chicken, tofu, or beans. Many grocery stores now offer prepackaged salad boxes, making it easier for people to access fresh, nutritious options on the go. And for those with a sweet tooth, there's always ice cream. And filled with intensity. The machinery involved in these processes, whether it's tearing down buildings or clearing debris, demonstrates the immense force and strength behind every movement, ensuring the job is completed effectively and with precision. From camel transport to towering cranes, from snowplows to rock breakers, the power and precision of heavy machinery is nothing short of spectacular. Each machine plays a vital role in its respective field, performing tasks that are often too dangerous, difficult, or large for human effort alone. The blend of technology, strength, and expertise is what makes these machines indispensable in modern industries, showing us just how far engineering has come in shaping the world around us. At the same time, a variety of delicious dishes are being prepared to complement the rice, creating a balanced meal. Automated machines carefully measure each ingredient to ensure perfect portions. For raw items, the meal boxes pass through a microwave tunnel where they are cooked for about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, the trays are labeled, sealed, and ready for shipping, complete with all the necessary information. The convenience of pasta has also made it a popular food choice for many. Immense force. Whether it's a car, a bus, or a large structure, the claw machine handles it with exceptional precision and power. The moment it digs into its target, the display of strength and force is undeniable, leaving onlookers in awe of its capabilities. The mechanical cutting and tearing process is almost violent in its intensity, yet every move is calculated, ensuring that the task is completed efficiently and safely. A particularly impressive piece of equipment in demolition projects is the Caterpillar 340D2L excavator. Belt cranes and blade lifters are used to move enormous turbine blades. These machines are equipped with powerful engines and intricate mechanism systems that ensure the blades are transported with speed and precision. They are an essential part of wind farm projects, where large volumes of turbine blades need to be efficiently moved and positioned. These cranes work in unison, transforming the challenging task of transporting large turbine blades into a seamless operation. Finally, there are moments of tension that reveal the full power of these machines. The sudden collapse of structures, accompanied by the sound of everything breaking apart, is a moment Watch as high-tech machines quickly fill thousands of cups with smooth, creamy ice cream and drizzle rich sauces over them, all in a matter of minutes. It's an efficient process that combines precision and speed, delivering perfectly portioned desserts without any human hands involved. From sandwiches to ready-made meals and sweet treats, the process of mass food production is a marvel of technology, precision, and efficiency. Would you like to see more behind-the-scenes looks at how our favorite foods are made? Let us know in the comments. The perfect balance between raw power and precision ensures that the crane can tackle even the most intricate construction tasks with efficiency. On the road, heavy-duty trucks are often used for lifting and towing, and when a truck with a strong engine and stable mechanism is involved, it turns into a surprising performance. These trucks, with their powerful lifting and towing systems, work in tandem to ensure a smooth and safe operation. The hydraulic mechanisms and towing mechanisms function in perfect harmony, moving the vehicle with precision. The moment the truck is lifted or towed reveals the seamless coordination between the machinery and the operator's expertise, making a seemingly mundane task an exciting display of mechanical strength. Another jaw-dropping moment occurs when a powerful claw machine gets to work. Designed to tear apart large objects, this machine uses its formidable engine and flexible cutting mechanisms to apply